Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up an Electrum Bitcoin wallet. First, navigate to the official Electrum website to download the correct version for your operating system. It's crucial to verify the digital signature of the downloaded file to confirm its authenticity and protect against malicious software. Once verified, proceed with the installation process, which is straightforward and typically takes only a few moments to complete on your chosen device. Next, open Electrum and select the option to create a new wallet. For most users, a standard wallet is the best choice. You'll then be prompted to generate a new seed phrase. This 12-word phrase is your wallet's master key, so it's absolutely vital to write it down precisely and store it in a secure, offline location. Do not share this phrase with anyone. After securing your seed, you'll set a strong password to encrypt your wallet file. This password protects your wallet on your device, so choose something robust and memorable. Confirm the password to ensure accuracy. Once your wallet is set up, navigate to the Receive tab. Here, you'll find your unique Bitcoin receiving address, which you can share to receive funds. To send Bitcoin, go to the Send tab. Enter the recipient's address and the amount you wish to send. Always double-check the address to prevent sending funds to the wrong person, as transactions are irreversible. Finally, remember to regularly back up your wallet file, especially after significant changes, to ensure your funds are always recoverable.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.